Band director for Dinthill Technical High School, Rowan Johnson, and creative producer of Jamaica's Best School Band Competition, Raven Amani, along with band member Janaya Coke, my apologies. Janaya Coke are here to discuss the school's victory in the recent competition. Good morning, good morning, good morning.
Good morning.
Everybody good?
So far, so good.
Nice. Let me tell you, I love this band here.
Thank you.
No. So on a Band Wednesday, it's Neville's wish and my wish too that we could just come here, sit on the couch and be entertained, right? And based on the performances so far this morning and even the competition, we could easily sit and be entertained by you all. But let me start with you, Rowan. What's so special about this band?
It's the students. Students that make up the band, they're all unique. Each of them bring a different energy, a different passion that helps me to, create the music that you hear on stage this morning.
Yeah. What's your history in music and education, and how have you learned from working with Dinthill Technical High School?
Well, I'm a past student of the Edmund College of Performing Arts. I've been playing music. I'm a keyboard major, so I've been playing music professionally from 2016. So I've been all over the world touring with a range of different artists, right? So with this experience that I've gained, to have these young people, to share with them this passion that I have, it's easy to get them to do what is in my head.
Right. So they bring your ideas to life.
Right.
Janaya, I mean, you're a part of an amazing team. What is it like working with them? And of course, this big shiny trophy, what was that feeling like to win?
We're so grateful. I mean, all the hard work that we've put in has paid off. All the late night rehearsals, all of the fighting, all of the cussing, all of it has paid off. So we're grateful, and it's been a wonderful experience. We've got to express all our creativity. We've got to bring our ideas to life along with Sir. So it's really great.
Yeah, a lot of people think that see all the shiny, the bright smiles and everything, and think it's all smooth, but it's not all smooth sailing. How would you say you've grown as a person from being in the competition and from being with the band?
Well, both with the competition and the band, I've learned a lot about time management, that you have to manage your time, your schoolwork, you have to make time for rest so that the balance between music and schoolwork isn't disrupted.
Right. Are there bare people in the band?
Wow.
Yes, Fox.
I would love that.
Yes, Fox.
Raven,
well said.
Jamaica's best school band. We have all together sing, we have school challenge quiz, we have champs, we have a whole long list of competitions. But you saw something when you school band. What inspired you to create this?
All right, so I do believe that our music, as you know, we have a global phenomenon in our culture and music. And when you look at the roots of it, you would say it's drum and bass, right? It was the musicians in the studio creating that vibe that is so timeless. So, we thought it necessary to start from the high school level, even lower than that, the primary school as well. But more so, we started with the high school and hope to get to the primary school as well.
Yeah, now I'm sure when you created the idea, some people were like, "Wow, Raven, I don't know." And I'm pretty sure you had a few people who were like, "Yeah, no man, do it." How did you kind of weigh those opinions and decide to still push through?
One little step at a time.
Yes.
One foot in front of the other, year by year. This is our 11th season. And so we're getting stronger and bigger and better as we go along.
What's the biggest lesson you've learned about yourself and about Jamaica's music culture, particularly at this level, secondary school level? What have you learned? What are the big lessons that you've picked up over
the big lessons is that we shouldn't put limits on ourselves and on our young people. They can, sometimes we tend to think they should book, but the music really helps them to be better at the book as well.
Yeah.
So,
Ron, True Tone is the name of the band. I see the label there on the shirts. What's the next step? Are we in bookings? Well, I think I get a booking already.
Yeah.
From being on this morning, so you're welcome. Right. But what's next for the band?
All right, next, so we have 5 instrumentalists, and we do need more musicians. Even though you see a lot of them on stage, we do need more. So the next step is to recruit more, recruit more students. You know, get more young people involved at Dinthill.
What's your word of encouragement to other schools, to other producers, people like yourself? Going forward, I mean, you can't tell them how to beat you, but what's your word of encouragement?
Pay attention to detail.
Pay attention.
Very important.
Yes, every single detail.
Every single detail.
Right.
Whether it's the rhythm section, whether the vocalist, just pay attention to details.
Yeah. Raven, what impressed you most when you take a look at Dinthill and their performance this year, this award-winning performance?
let me tell you, they were strong from the get-go. Showed that they paid attention to detail, as Mr. Johnson said, and they put in a lot of rehearsal. It showed that they were so prepared.
And what were the judges looking for as well?
That was one of it, planning and preparedness. Of course, they had to interact with the audience, so they interacted with each other on stage. And of course, the presentation and the quality of the performances, which was just excellent from, as I said, from the get-go. Yeah. They were strong.
11 seasons in, right? 12. What's going to be different for season 12?
Wow, hopefully more schools from a wider cross-section of the island, of course. Yeah. And bigger cash prizes, and we've gotten some word for that as well, so it's looking good.
Yeah, man, more money always.
Yes.
Janaya, you have 2 seconds. What do you want to say to your fellow band members and the kids at school?
I would love to say I really enjoy working with these wonderful people. They're so talented, and I would like to say big up to our Past Student Association, because without them, this would not have been possible. We really appreciate their contribution to our band.
Amazing stuff. Congrats again.
Hi, Mommy.
Trophy heavy though. Dinthill Technical Band Director Rowan Johnson, creative producer for Jamaica's Best Band School Band Competition, Raven Amani, and band member from True Tone, Dinthill High School, Janaya Coke. We take a break here, folks, but we soon come back. Don't move.